This Coldwell banker Schmitt real estate company property video is presented by Dave Wiley. New to market open house Saturday, January 13th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Welcome to Banyan Tree Estate on Big Pine Key, nestled in the heart of the National Key Deer Refuge and desirable Doctor's Arm community. This expansive property encompasses 4 waterfront lots, totaling half an acre, boasting 240 of canal frontage and a 120 concrete dock and davits. The charm extends to the adjacent lot, which is nature preserve land enhancing the privacy surrounding the swimming pool area. At the heart of this unparalleled estate stands a majestic banyan tree, surrounded by ornate landscaping featuring Christmas palms, 5 mature date palms, perimeter-lined hedges of Arica palms for privacy, 3 grand Bismarck palms, native cabbage, palmetto palms and more within the fenced pool area. The property showcases a diverse array of flora, including a mature sapodilla fruit tree, coconut palms, 3 mango varieties, bananas, lemon, lime, key lime, 2 avocado trees, Lula and negro, all irrigated by 2 systems, one from a 900-gallon cistern as part of the rain catchment system, and the other on public water with timers for the pool garden. Step onto the dock, and you're just a short 6-mile boat ride away from Bahia Honda State Park and Bridge, renowned for its tarpon fishery. Moreover, the Lula Key Coral Reef Park, a protected marine sanctuary, is a mere 35-minute journey by boat. Minutes away in the shallow flats and bays of the Great White Heron Wildlife Refuge lies world-class flats fishing for tarpon, bonefish and permit. Your waterfront boating paradise awaits at the Banyan Tree Estate, where Key-style living meets natural beauty and adventure. Available to show beginning Saturday 01/13. For more information, review the details below.